Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to unbox Tiva TM4C123G evaluation kit, and then afterwards we will install Keel Microvision 5, set the settings for TM4C123G controller, and then LED blinking code. So first of all, I have a Tiva evaluation kit. So here is it, Tiva TM4C123G evaluation kit. So we will get basically controller in this kit and a USB cable, basically wrapper of controller. And I also there are two pamphlet types. One is user manual, user guide, and the other is basically pin out diagram of Tiva TM4C123G controller. I will basically first of all install Keel Microvision 5 and then install TM4C123G board in that Keel Microvision 5, and then I will set the settings for uploading code in this controller. Basically this controller TM4C123G is not that easy to upload code in this. So first of all we will install Keel Microvision 5 and then install the TM4C123G board in it, and then we will set the settings for uploading code in this controller, and then afterwards I will upload basically RGB LED red, green and blue. So we will blink it after a delay, like first of all red blink and then delay, then blue blink, then some delay like 1 second, and then red blink. We will basically write and upload that code. So let's start. I will take you to my computer screen. So let's go.
Okay, so first of all we will install Keel Microvision 5. First of all we will download it from this website keel.com downloads, and MDK ARM version 5.36 Keel Microvision 5, and then we have to install it. I will run this setup, and here it is. So we will install Keel MDK ARM software, and we have to enter our details here. We will write student here and email here. Okay, now it is installing. As first of all we have to download the main software from ARM Keel website, and then we have to install this software. I have installed this MDK 536 from here, and then I am installing it, and after installation we have to set up this software for TM4C123G board. Well, it is almost installed now, so we have to finish the setup. Release notes, we'll close this release notes and close this also, and after installation pack installer tab automatically opens. After installation pack installer tab automatically opens. Actually this is the board installer. We have to select our specific board like TM4C123G from this. Here is pack installer, and we have to find ARM Tiva TM4C123G from here. I select Texas Instrument from here and Tiva C series, then there is device specific option come and Keel TM4C, and here is Texas Tiva C series device, and we have to install it. It is installing. Okay, now we will open Keel Microvision 5, and here it is. Okay, so now we will make a new project. I will name or give name LED to this project. Save file name LED. From here now we have to select our board. Our board is basically TM4C123G from Texas Instrument. So here is Tiva C series TM4C123G, and from here we have to select TM4C123G 6HPM. Basically this is here it is TM4C123GH6PM. So we will OK it, and from here now we have to include files. From CMSIS we include core and DSP file, and from device we include startup file, TM4C123G startup file. Project window. Okay, the project window appears, and from here is the target and source group 1. Right click on source group 1 and manage project item and rename it as TM4C123G, source group as LED, as our code is LED blink code. Now we will include our main programming file in LED folder. So right click and add new item. We will write program in C language, so we will include C file. If you want to write in assembly language, you can add ASM file, but here I am writing in C language, so I will select C file and name this as LED blink add. So here it is LED blink, and now we have I have to place the program which I have written in C language basically. So here it is. I will copy and paste it here. After this we have to set our flash settings for uploading code in our board. From here you have not to change anything. Go to debug tab and you have to install select Stellaris from here. Basically this is, I have installed an add-on. When you are doing this for the first time, this option will not come. For this you have to install basically this MDK Stellaris ICDI add-on. You have to simply install this. I have already installed this, so that's why it is coming here. We have to select this and select OK. Now we will compile our program. First of all, we will click build. Basically this is building our program, like compiling our program. Okay, compilation done, 0 errors. That means the program is successfully built. Now we have to upload the code to the board. For this we will use flash and download. It is giving error that there is no board connected to your computer. For this we have to install basically drivers of our board. If I open device manager, let me connect my board with my CPU. As you are seeing, there is some devices came and they have no drivers, so we will install the drivers. Keil Microvision 5 900 MB, you can simply download it from their website, and I will install give these 3 files in video description. We are going to installing drivers. Open this and you can select, right click on USB.boot USB INF file and install it. Simply install all these 3. Okay, after installing, just check have these drivers got installed or not. Well, you are seeing that this is installed, COM port number 3. So now we are going to upload our code in our board. For this you can use this shortcut or flash and download. Well, I am using shortcut, and yes, my board got programmed. You are seeing when I press the reset button, LEDs got blinking. We increase the delay. You can see now delay is very much increased. Red, green, and then blue. So here is the basic setup of Keel Microvision 5 with TM4C123G. See you in next video. Thanks.